So for those na hindi pa updated, ganito yung nangyari. Medyo matagal na nangyari to eh. May isa kasing babae na nag-viral online after kumalat yung video niya preaching inside a Cebu Pacific flight. Binasahan niya ng Bible yung mga pasahero niya, mga co-passengers niya sa isang aeroplano. As in, hindi lang siya tahimik na nagbabasa on herself o by herself. She was actually standing or positioned in a way na ina-address niya yung ibang mga passengers habang hawak niya yung Bible and reading verses out loud. No, parang full-on mini sermon mid-flight sa loob ng eroplano. At syempre, dahil nasa eroplano ka, hindi ito yung typical na ingay lang na pwede mong deadmahin, no? Yung pwede mong i-ignore. It is a closed space, no? Maririnig siya ng buong cabin or at least ng malaking portion ng eroplano. Now, after mag-viral ng video na to, naglabasan na yung mga iba't ibang sides. Si ate girl, she explained na nagpaalam naman daw siya bago siya mag-preach. So in her mind, hindi siya nang istorbo. She felt like she had the permission and she was just doing what she believed she was called to do. And to be fair, no, may mga tao namang talagang todo support sa kanya. May mga comments like, wala namang masama sa ginagawa niya. Nagpapalaganap lang siya ng salita ng Diyos. Freedom of religion yan. Bakit nyo pinipigilan? And honestly, if you look at it on a very surface level, parang, oo nga naman, no? She was not aggressive at all. She was not attacking anyone. Hindi siya nakikipag-away. Diba? So bakit ang daming na-off? Bakit ang daming na-weirduhan? And that's where things started to get interesting. Kasi hindi siya simpleng quote-unquote preaching in public situation eh.